And then yourself.
Tell me when
That's 4. And then 5. Tabby's looking outside and his tail's twitching, so he must see something.
I know.
And then 6. Doing a good job. And yourself. And this should be 7. For Uncle Johnny first, and then me, and you. 7. 7. Okay. And then the rest of them we spread out in the center, and that's the fishing pole.
Okay.
This is the fishing hole, Jen. Okay. So then it says, make sure to hold your cards carefully so other players cannot see them.
Did you get it?
No.
So why don't I get your cards in order here so they're easier to... Jeez. Excuse me.
Gesundheiten.
I think it's going to happen again, too.
Gesundheiten nach Stunde standard.